Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my channel. My name is Tina and I welcome you to another one of my videos. This is my first video for 2020, so Happy New Year everyone. Huhulaan ko, hanggang ngayon marami pa sa inyo ang kumakanta ng mga Christmas carols. That's what we're pretty much all in at this time, and that's what we call the holiday blues mood. Yung tipong parang ayaw pa natin pumasok, ano? Nakakatamad. Sana extended ang holiday. And of course, sana extended din ang Christmas because I bet ito din para sa inyo ang pinakamasayang season or ang pinakamasayang mga araw ng taon. However, employed as we are and engaged in businesses as we are, we all have to go back to work. And 2020 undoubtedly poses very good promises for business and even employment. So, medyo magta-transition muna tayo para sa ating mga employment skills and job readiness content. Isa pang hula, hanggang ngayon, umay pa rin tayong lahat sa mga handa natin nung nakaraang Noche Buena at Medianoche. So for this video, mga colleagues, we will be giving you the ultimate tanggal umay na dishes from the Cookery NC2 class from Standard Culinary and Technical Skills Training Center. And these dishes, mind you, are all authentic Cavite dishes. Join me in this cooking and food adventure here in Hosted by Tina. If you guys are new on the channel, I make videos on job readiness, workplace skills, ventures, and just like this one, as I've said, a lot of adventures. And if you like these contents, ladies and gents, please consider subscribing on my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below together with the notification bell so you won't miss any new uploads from Hosted by Tina. So, eto na. Magluto na tayo. And in our kitchen menu for today, we have pansit pusit, adobong dilaw, and bacalao. So kung hindi pa kayo nagagawin ng Cavite, nakitira sa amin dito at medyo inalam ang aming culture, huwag kayong magtataka kung parang hindi nyo pa naririnig ang mga unique na dishes na ito. Kaya nga, kahit na hindi pa kayo nadadalaw sa aming magandang probinsya, andito kami ngayon para i-share sa inyo ang recipe ng tatlong dishes na, again, hopefully, makakapagtanggal ng umay nyo sa nakaraang holiday. Joining me in this video are my friends from the cookery class. Please welcome them and join all of us in the cooking demo.
Hello, good morning. I'm Jubilus, your chef for Pansit Pusit. Ito po yung mga ingredients na kinchay, garlic, bay leaf, onion, mashed chicharron, squid, soy sauce, vinegar, pepper and salt, then the cooking oil. This is chili. Ito po yung squid ink. Ito po yung gagawin natin diyon. As pansit. Preheat the oil in the pan. Saute the garlic, onion, Now we will put the garlic. Add the chili and bay leaf. Then add the squid. So Lutuin for about 2 minutes. Pwede na po idagdag yung soy sauce. Then yung patis or fish sauce. Then vinegar. Maglalagay na lahat ng ingredients, simmer for 3 minutes. Ito naman po ay squid ink with 1 cup water. Then ilalagay na po natin siya dito. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Add the salt and pepper to taste. Continue to simmer. Ngayon po, i-add natin yung noodles.
Ay, garnish.
Lagay ang katas ng kamyas. Pwede na hanguin ang ating pansit pusit. Now we are ready to serve pansit pusit. Thank you.
Good afternoon, I am your chef for bacalao con tomato. The ingredients are all-purpose flour, dried fish, white onion, garlic, piece of bay leaf, crushed tomato, roasted red bell pepper, and 1/4 olive oil and 1/8 olive oil. Una sa lahat, painitin nyo muna yung pan nyo. Preheat nyo muna ako. Ang preheat, tsaka i-coat mo yung isda sa all-purpose flour. Set aside po muna natin to. And then, hintay po natin uminit yung oil. Pag mainit yung mantika, tsaka nyo po ilalagay itong dry fish na kinoat nyo sa all-purpose flour.
Oh.
Cook until golden brown. On the same frying pan, mag-add ka uli ng 1/8 cup of olive oil. Saute garlic and onion. Kapag sinusute, hintayin nyo pong mag-translucent ang white onion. Pag nag-translucent na po yung white onion nyo, add nyo po yung garlic. Add crushed tomato. And then, add 1 piece of bay leaf. And simmer for 10 minutes. Papansin nyo, yung sinusutay natin, nagiging saucy na siya. Ngayon, pag i-add nyo na po yung pinirito nyong isda, hintayin nyo pong ma-absorb yung flavor ng sinutay natin kanina. Simmer for about 5 minutes. Ilagay ang roasted pepper. And i-simmer po ng 5 minutes. Simmering for 5 minutes. Now, we're ready to serve bacalao con tomato. Thank you.
afternoon. My name is Jessa, your chef for adobong dilaw. Ingredients are onion, garlic, cooking oil, pork, turmeric, bay leaves, pepper, salt, vinegar, water. Painitin natin muna ang kawali. Pag mainit na ang kawali, pwede natin ilagay ang cooking oil. Ilagay natin ang onion. Kapag nagka-caramelize na ang onion, pwede na natin ilagay ang garlic. Sunod natin ang turmeric. Mapapansin nyo, lumalabas na ang flavor ng turmeric pag nahawa ng kulay nito at naaamoy nyo na ang aroma ng turmeric. At pwede mo nang ilagay ang pork. Taga ng oil as needed. Ngayon, pwede na natin ilagay ang suka. Pakuluan ng about 4 to 5 minutes nang hindi tinatakpan at hindi hinahalo. Pwede na natin ilagay ang water. At ang bay leaf. Covered and let it boil. Mapapansin nyo, nagmamantika na ang ating pork. Add salt and pepper to taste. At pwede na itong hanguin. Now, we're ready to serve adobong dilaw. Thank you.
There you go guys, ang ating tatlong authentic dishes from Cavite. Balitaan nyo naman kami ha pagkatapos nyong iluto at pagkatapos nyong ma-enjoy yung mga dishes na yan. Sana ma-share nyo rin sa inyong mga family and friends para naman meron din kayong critic how your cooking went. So after this video, we will talk about in the next is the kind of leaders and bosses na po pwede ninyong abutan sa inyong mga pinag-a-applyang trabaho ngayong 2020. Huwag naman kayong matakot because most of them are really transformational leaders and motivational bosses na po pwede ninyong kapulutan ng assistance at ng aral at most especially career development. So, thank you very much for having me on your screens today and for having my friends in their cooking demo in this video. Once again, my name is Tina Dela Cruz, hosted by Tina. Ta-da!